Let's go over the menu. Take a look at this. This is the MX350i Domino labeler. Here we can see its errors. Since this is a new model, I haven't installed the ribbon or the labels yet, so there are some errors, and the air supply hasn't been connected either. That's why you see these errors, but you can still turn it on and check. Here, there are print and pause buttons. Let's take a look at this menu. The main settings are in here. Let's look at this. User. Inside the user menu, for example, printing. Oh, that's for parameter adjustment. Here you have print scale. You can easily adjust it here as very much needed. Print depth, print depth. Print direction, direction. As for print direction, it can be rotated here. And also, print position, print position. Let's take a look at this. Print queue. You can access the print queue here. Inside the print queue, there is label, intermittent type. Create some category labels. Here, there's also a black mark label. All right, let's move on to the next one. Print queue. Single tone queue, there are no labels, zero labels, no labels. Next character. Return to the previous year. Distance before returning. Okay, you can adjust its distance. This one below is indirect sensor calibration. So the process of sensor calibration, there are actually 3 distinct sensors here that can be precisely calibrated. For calibrating this reference, we can just follow its prompts to calibrate. Calibrate step by step, calibrate according to this ratio. Right now, we don't have any labels, so it's showing an error. All right. This is label positioning, positioning the label. All right, let's set a label. Okay, that's it for this part. All right, this one, backup. This is system backup. Restore. All right, upload means backing up the parameters. Restore and upload. This is the user. The interface has 90 degrees, 0 degrees, and 270 degrees. Let's look at 270 degrees. Tap it. Then it changes to this, like this. The screen rotates. That's one angle. It can rotate 270 degrees. 0 degrees, the normal 0 degrees. Adjust it to 0 degrees. All right, the second one is region. We've already talked about the language in the region settings. You can change the language there. System information. In the system information section, you can see the version and similar details. Not done yet. System information. That's it. Next up is the advanced section. There is absolutely nothing left for the advanced group leader. This time, this very particular moment, that the interface. This time the parameters. Oh, it's too difficult, a bit too hard. Just a simple explanation.